this. Please listen to this once again. Sometimes the market gives you a lot of trading opportunities. You might even see over 5 or more good trades in a week. Okay? Other times, you will start to even find just one entry or one setup. That's the time I said, close your business and rest. And then you wake up again and continue. So at other times, you will struggle to find just one good setup. In the whole week, it happens. It is very normal. It happens to every trader. Don't say, oh, Charlie, there are 2 days you will not pay you. Let me get this in the market. Let me deposit some money. Let me execute. No. If you make $2,000 profit today, you don't have to rush. Just go back inside your account, maybe your other bank account, then you kind of diversify your portfolios with it, then you kind of sit down, analyze the market, get good setup, and enter again. So other times you start to find a good setup. The whole week it happens, and it's all part of the trading journey. It's all part of the trading journey. So no need to force trades or rush at all. Stick to your trading plan. I said this again and again. You must have a trading plan, and that is your signature. You come to a school and a lecture hall, or you come to office, you are at the job, and you are executing your daily KPIs, and you chance upon your phone, you see a setup. Do not jump onto the market. Stay and analyze the market before. So no need to force the trades or rush. Stick to your trading plan. The market is not run away. We are born to meet it, so we will go and leave it. But let's say my community. The guys in my community, look, we've come to lead this market and we're going to leave it one day. Do not rush for it. Always analyze it before you enter. Once you make your profits, you are good to go. And so the market is not running away. If you don't see your setup, relax, sleep, and wait. Some of you just want sometimes, at least to post some kind of videos, to post some kind of. For a very long time, I did not have a YouTube channel. For a long time, I did not have a TikTok page. Because I realized that it wasn't something that was going to add to my profits, my profit margin. I stayed indoors to make my profits. That's it. But the world is growing. People need to learn. People need to see what someone is doing somewhere. So along the way, I created my YouTube channel. Then I started when we were posting things down. But I don't see that to be so important to me because I don't sell signals to people. No. That's how a trading plan works. And so the market is never run away. You don't see your setup, just relax, sleep and wait. Sometimes you just have to post news or some entertainment or some kind of videos every day to excite your followers or some people. It doesn't add anything. Some don't even have a plan at all. You must fix this. You must fix this. So that you have a trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, don't call yourself a trader. You are just joking and playing around, wasting your data and your time. You must have your trading plan. If you evaluate yourself or you analyze yourself, you will notice most of your losses came from your lack of patience. Wait for the right opportunities, so you just force trades. I said this already. Do not do it because you saw your classmates trading and have to just jump in. Maybe your trading plan is to wait at 8 a.m., maybe at the London session or the other session or Eastern session or Finland session. Then you will enter. But somebody will just jump because I've seen Mr. A making profit. I've seen Mr. A making profit. And then I feel like also jumping into the market. No. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. And then you'll be able to make your profits. How to confirm market structure? Are we coming to an end? So let's very begin. How to confirm market structure? You have to wait, get the structure, and enter. How do you confirm that? You must have a way of confirming your market structure before you enter. And that is, they are called POS. POS. Break of structure. That is where you always have a turnaround. That is where you always have some kind of higher highs and lower lows. So when there's a higher high, that is where you look at it and then you predefine your risks and then you decide to do what? To mitigate them at the right time. And that is how it works. So, what is the break of structure? And what is the break of structure? Break of structure is when price breaks the previous highs or low, confirming continuation of the current trends. Confirming continuation of the current trends. Let's say we have a good strength, or we have a bearish strength. How do you always confirm the structure? There is a way that when you look at the charts, it will tell you that at this point in time, the market is going to go higher highs. You can decide to buy and wait patiently. We have said earlier, you must be patient, very consistent at this before you will to make profit. And so, like I said, break of structure is when price breaks the previous high or low, confirming continuation of the current trend. It shows shifts in the market structure. Pay attention to this. Uptrends. You call that bullish. How do I explain bullish? Bullish, right? Bullish. The bull is like a male version of a cow, right? How do they fight? Well, how do they fight? Sometimes, forgive me, I'm just explaining these basic things for the sake of one or two guys who are starting Forex or who are just new to Forex. I don't know how to jump just because I've experienced doing this about last year. It does not work that way. Your profit is not my profit. Your profit is not his profit. He is here to learn. So forgive me if I'm going slowly. A bull, when bulls are fighting, I'm just trying to explain this. I've been a cowboy before. And for the other reason, I didn't say that. People come to Tamale, we were there. Sorry for saying that. But so a few years ago, I moved to Accra. And I think it's like, let's move faster. Doesn't mean things doesn't move faster than that. Things move faster. For me, here, even though I'm making profits all my life, living in family, but I saw the opportunity